Here I have JAECOO 5 and let me show you how to enable and how to use the auto zoom view. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's find and select the AVM right here. So around view monitor, let's just tap it. And as you can see now, you can use your camera. So here let's use the settings button located in the upper right corner. And here you can enable or disable the auto zoom view. So what is the auto zoom view? Just enable it right here. This is an intelligent camera feature that helps you with tight maneuvering. When active, the system will automatically zoom into a specific camera angle, like the front corner or a rear bumper, if it detects that you are getting dangerously close to an obstacle, crab or a wall. So it's quite useful. It's like the special layer of protection and extra pair of eyes, so let me leave it enabled. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.